Engineer Professor Mohammed Sani Haruna holds a PhD and Masters of Engineering degrees in Electrical Engineering from Bayero University, Kano. He was trained earlier at Plateau and Kaduna Polytechnics for National Diploma ND and Higher National Diploma HND respectively in the same field. He obtained a postgraduate PGD in Education, a PGD in Electrical Engineering from the Federal University of Technology, Akure. He has a Master of Philosophy degree and a second PhD in Entrepreneurial Technology from the Jomo Kenyatta University of Science and Agriculture, Nairobi, Kenya. Born on 20th November 1963, Professor Haruna hails from Gora community in Karo local government area of Nasarawa State. He had his primary education at Abdu Zango Primary School, Kefi, 1974 to 1979, Vocational and Relevant Technology, Jos, 1980, and Extramural School, University of Jos, 1982 to 1983 for West African School Certificate. He worked previously as a technician, supervisor, engineer, maintenance and services manager, and technical manager with many firms including NASCO Group of Companies, a Kara Food Processing Company, Mani Technical Controlled Plastics Limited, Kano, New Nigeria Printing and Packaging PLC. He also received specialist training on heavy-duty engines from Madison's Power Generation, United Kingdom, and has overhauled several heavy-duty equipment. Director of Central Support Engineering Limited from 1995 to 2009. He was the one-time head of the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Kaduna Polytechnic, and a visiting lecturer to Bayero University, Kano. Professor Haruna is a member and fellow of many professional bodies and associations. He is a chartered engineer of United Kingdom Engineering Council, Korean, registered in Nigeria, Institution of Electrical Engineers, and now the Institution of Engineering and Technology, a fellow of the UK-based fellow of the Nigerian Academy of Engineering, fellow of the Nigerian Society of Engineers, and also a fellow Nigerian Association of Technologies in Engineering, and has many publications. He was a member of the Governing Council, Nasarawa State Vocational and Relevant Technology Skill Acquisition Board, a professor of electrical engineering at the University of Abuja, and was also a professor at Nile University of Nigeria and African University of Science and Technology. Professor Haruna was a board member of Relevant Technology Board, Raw Materials Research and Development Council, Nigeria Nuclear Regulatory Authority, among others. A recipient of National Honors Awards of OFR and prestigious Presidential Excellence in Public Service Award by late President Muhammadu Buhari. Professor Haruna is also an alumnus of the prestigious National Institute for Policy and Strategic Studies, Kuru, Jos. Achievements of Professor M.S. Haruna. Professor Mohammed Sani Haruna was appointed Executive Vice Chairman and Chief Executive Officer of the National Agency for Science and Engineering Infrastructure, NASENI, in 2012 and completed his last 5-year term in 2023. Within this decade, Professor Haruna's legacies in the development of science, technology, and innovation in Nigeria knew no bounds, as this aggressive achiever recorded huge and immeasurable landmark attainments, some of which we will unveil in this documentary. One of the major goals of Professor Haruna upon assuming office at NASENI was to expand the agency's research and development technical centers in order to give